1 hour. It's pouring outside. I'm so glad that I picked up Jack's poo-poo earlier. My goodness.
Because it would have been like diarrhea. Mama,
Yes, babe.
3 minutes left until we can get our frozen Pop-Tarts.
Oh, okay.
It's been about like 18 minutes.
It is?
Yeah. It's good. You want to try?
Yeah.
It's way better than it used to be. Isn't it good?
Is it good, Sissy? Yeah?
This video is sponsored by Pop-Tarts.
No.
Mama, my shoes are wet.
Oh, yeah. My boots too. Can you please go get it?
It's not wet at all.
No. I bet it will. Just a little bit. Thank you.
It's not a little bit, Mama.
Oh, okay. In a little bit, you're gonna go get ready for gymnastics sis, after we eat.
Yay! Gymnastics!
But we cannot go inside.
I remember when it was so difficult for me to get on my hoverboard.
Yeah?
Not anymore? Yeah, not anymore. I first tried it on Johnson's hoverboard.
Yeah.
I've been wanting a hoverboard for a year, and then now for my birthday, I got a hoverboard. Did you order it for my birthday?
We went to store bought.
Before my birthday?
The day of your birthday.
Oh. I love my Pop-Tart. I love
Cece, what is that? Oh my god. That was me, sis. Oh my. Cece.
You should try the toasted one. It's also really good. It's like jelly.
Did you try it?
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. Jackie, you snoring. Alright guys, we are going to Cece's gymnastic right now. See you there.
Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, need all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go.
How about ding ding?
Okay. Okay, don't forget your water, Sissy. Okay.
Mama, can
Huh?
you do it?
Come on.
You're so cute, John. I can't swim.
Okay, Sissy. Have fun.
Hey, it's on Fortnite.
Be careful. Oh, is it really wet? Hold on. Let me help you.
Mama, it's on Fortnite.
Now I know what I need to do. Can't stay right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off.
We have to stay in the car because Jonas is with me, and now that is a new rule. The siblings not allowed to be inside, so only one parent can come inside, but I cannot leave Jonas here alone in the car, so
I won't be able to breathe.
so yeah, we are staying in the car waiting for 1 hour until Sissy's done.
I lost all my hearing in my ears for a second.
Oh really?
Yeah,
What happened?
I don't know.
What you doing? Playing?
No, I'm watching.
Oh, Jonas, speak in Bahasa.
Tipu-tipu-sa. It's the only thing I know.
No, you know 1, 2, 3.
3, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, sayang semuanya. 1, 2, 3, 4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10. What does that mean?
You counting 1 to 10. You just did it.
10.
10, yeah. What is 10?
I am 10 years old. Oh,
No.
turned off.
10
Turned
years
off,
old.
Mama.
Oh. 4:47. 5 more minutes until Sissy's done, and after this we are going to get food. I really want to eat spicy noodles from Thai restaurant nearby. That is so good.
I want to go to a Thai restaurant. I want Thai tea
You want Thai tea?
with bubble in it.
Yeah, let's call them right now to order food. Hello, may I order a spicy noodle, please?
Yes, can I have your name, please?
Nene? N-E-N-E?
Any
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to say, ma'am?
Chicken spicy noodle.
Chicken spicy noodle, how spicy from 0 to 5?
Jonas, do you want noodles? Yeah, no? Oh, okay, no spicy, please.
Don't try.
Yeah. Spicy noodles, but not spicy.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else for you?
Mama,
That's all, ma'am.
Okay, just one order of chicken spicy noodle.
Yes.
Take us about 15 minutes, please.
Awesome. Thank you.
Mama,
Bye.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
This little girl named Grace, she has her own PC set up.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, and she plays Fortnite on it. And she's like, I bet that she can beat Corbin in 1v1.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she can actually build.
Oh, wow. Good. Oh, what is that you got? Sucker? What flavor?
Bubblegum.
Bubblegum? Oh my goodness. Did you do good? Yeah, nice. Hey, we are
I
going...
have a new teacher.
Oh, really?
It was at the pre-K one.
Oh, wow. Hey, your trash. Pick it up, put it in the pocket, please. Thank you so much. Okay, we are going to pick up the food, okay?
You're going to get
Okay,
noodles.
Sissy's here, and now we are going to pick up our food. Alright, we just pick up our food. The kids got...
Bubba tea. Thai tea.
Thai tea. Alright, now we are going home. Eat. Bye. Driving in the rain, it gives me so much a feeling that I cannot even explain. I love driving in the rain, feeling peaceful.
My Too spicy.
Your mint? Oh man. Alright guys, we just got home and now we're going to eat spicy noodle, but not spicy. Yum, yum, yum. Alright you guys, we are going to eat now and that's it for today's video. Thank you. I'm going to wait until you guys finish. Wash your hands, okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching.
Peace.
And we see you guys in the next video. Say bye-bye. Bye Jackie. Bye Jonas. Bye.